Hello, Randy here. Today we're going to be talking about what is in my information technology portfolio. This just touches base on what we have talked about and learned within the semester, and so we're going to dive right in. First thing we're going to be that's going to be in my folder is going to be spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet that will show my end of the course grade, as well as how it will be calculated the average grade. Within that file will be a video of me talking about it thoroughly. There will be a picture of the actual calculations within the spreadsheet and then a live version of the spreadsheet as well. Next, we have the binary bootcamp, and in that, I will be showing you a video of how I actually did the conversions and how the charts match up with the conversions as well. And things of that nature. Next, we have the web page design. I have a video of me explaining how I did the web page. Then I have at the actual web page itself, and also the HTML tag. And then last but not least, we have the information sheet, and that sheet was pertaining just a cheat sheet that we use on the test and shows um, what things that I felt like I needed to learn and know for the test to help me. And that is the content, and I hope you enjoy the portfolio.